and I cannot tie shoes. So if it holds 15,025, you'd like it. Be $795 to the good. Brian Benham back for another shot here in the rifle. Nice move. Little trouble on the return trip and a pair of penalties, TC says. 17-7-27. We're going to make it a 27-7 and 27 for Brian Benham. Gerald McElroy